Moving on to the next question, children, that is question number 20, which is very much related to trigonometry, wherein you need to write down the trigonometric values. So what I'll be writing here, write down the question first. So this has been given as 4 sine 30 degrees. Okay, and here you have been given sine 90 degree. Okay, and this is 2 cos 60 degree. And then you have 2 cos 0 degree. Okay, and then this is 4, 5, 5 and 4. Now what you will be doing, we will be just replacing the values. So this is 4 into sine 30 is how much, children? Half. And here 2 into cos 60 is also equal to how much, children? Cos 60 is also equal to half. Then sine 90 is equal to 1 into 2 into cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So this is 2 into 1 is equal to 4, 5, 5 and 4. Okay. So this implies what, children? This implies, so this if you cancel, this is going to be 2 and then 1. Then this is 1 and 2. And then this is being multiplied to, this is not equal to sign, children, sorry, this is being multiplied. So this, we are multiplying this with 4, 5, 5 and 4. So how much will you be getting here, children? See, this is going to be equal to 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. And then here it will be 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4. Okay, what about the second row part? 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. And here 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4. So write down how much is this equal to, children. This will be equal to, see, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So write down 13. Okay, here 2 into 5 is 10 plus 4 is 14. So 13, 14. Here 1 into 4 is 4 and then plus 2 into 5 is 10. So this is again 14. And here this is 5 plus 8, which is equal to 13. So this is your answer. Okay, so this type of question you will be able to do very easily provided you know the trigonometric values, children. Okay, so now we'll be doing what? We'll be moving to question number 21. So we'll be just looking what is there in that. I'll just erase this out. Okay, so this is our question number 21. So in 21 you have been given two matrices, children. One is A and one is I. So I'll just write down here to explain. Looks like an easy one. You can take this as homework. 3 minus 1. 1 and 2, and then I, the value of I, that is identity matrix, is of the order 2 into 2, whose value has been given like this. Okay, now what you need to do, children, you need to find out what? A square. Okay, so what can you be writing? A square is equal to A into A. Okay, so here you will be finding out first 3 into minus 1, 1, 2 and 3 into minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, so you can easily just subtract. Then you have find out 5A separately, children. So 5A you will be getting what? 5 multiplied by 3 minus 1, 1, 2. So you can easily find out this value. And then you will be doing what? 7 times of 5, which will be equal to 7 times of 1001. So once you are getting all these values, just put this in form, children, that A square minus 5A plus 7I. So you can easily get the answer. Okay, so this question is very easy, children. So question number 21 also I'll be marking as homework. We'll be now moving to the next question, children, that is question number 22. Okay, so I'll be writing here question number 22. So here it has been given, A matrix has been given and I has been given. Okay, so I'll be writing down this. Here you need to find out the value of M. Okay, so this is a different type of question, children. You can be marking this as important. 2 minus 1, 0 and 7. Okay, and the identity matrix is of the order 2 into 2, which is 1, 0, 0 and 1. And then what you will be writing, a square is equal to 9a plus mi. So what you will be writing, what is a square, children? A square will be equal to a into a, which in turn will be equal to 2 minus 1, 0, 7 into 2 minus 1, 0 and 7. So how much is this going to be equal to, children? 2 into 2 is 4 plus 0 into 1 is 0. So this is 4 plus 0. Right side I will be getting 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0 into 7 is again 0. Now here minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 plus 7 into minus 1 is minus 7. And what about next line? Minus 1 into 0 is 0 and 7 into 7 is 49. So this is the value of a square that I am getting. So this is equal to how much? This is 4, 0, minus 9 and 49. Okay. So these are the values that I am getting. And now we'll be moving to the next thing that we want is 9 times of a. So since I have space here, I'll be writing here, children, 9 times of a will be equal to how much? 9 times of 2 minus 1, 0 and 7. So how much will this be equal to, children? 18, 0, minus 9 and 63. So you have found out what? You have found out a square, you have found out 9a, and then what you will be doing, we will be now replacing it in the equation that has been there. So what is the equation? Equation is a square is equal to 9a plus mi. So this will imply what, children? This will imply mi will be equal to a square minus 9a. So this further implies what, children? M into what is I? I is given by 1, 0, 0, 1. And this is equal to what? A square we have found out to be 4 minus 9, 0, 49. And this subtracting with what? 18 minus 9, 0 and 63. Okay. So we'll be just erasing the above part to just see what we are getting. So write down m times, when m is being multiplied, what you will be getting, children? M into 1 is 1, m into 0 is 0. Then again this is 0 and m. Okay. So this is equal to what? See here, 4 minus 18 is equal to how much, children? Minus 14. And then 0 minus 0 will be equal to 0. Minus 9 minus 9 is minus 9 plus 9, which will be again equal to 0. And 49 minus 63 will be equal to minus 14. So clearly here what can you see? The value of m that I will be getting will be equal to what? Will be equal to minus 14. Okay. So this is the value of m that I am getting. Okay. We'll be now moving to question number 23, children. So that is also a question that is based on trigonometric values, children. So I'll just write down this. This is question number 23. So the matrix A has been given as what? It has been given as 4 sine 30 degrees. Okay. And here cos 0 degrees. And then cos 0 degree into 4 sine 30 degree. Okay. And then now what, children? This will be equal to, B also has been given. So the value of B has been given as 4 and 5. Okay. So just replace the value, children. Sine 30 is half. So write down 4 into half. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1 and 4 into sine 30 is half. Okay. And then this is equal to, when you cancel out this is 2, 1, 1, 2. So this is the matrix A you are getting. Now what you will be writing, children? You will be writing like this, that matrix A into X is equal to B. So what you can be writing, if you replace the values, this implies 2, 1, 1, 2 into x. Suppose the x, if the order you are taking is m into n children, okay, is equal to b. So what is the order of b children? It is, first you will be writing 4, 5, and the order, if you write here with another ink, the order here is 2 into 1, and here the order is 2 into 2. So what you know children, you always know that in such cases the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So clearly here m will be always equal to 2. And what about n? N will always be equal to the number of columns of the other side. Okay, so what you are getting, therefore you will be writing order of x will be equal to, this is going to be equal to how much? 2 into 1. Okay, so m will be this and n will be the column of the right hand side. So you just found out that what is the order. Now since you are done with the order children, now what you can do, you can just find out the value of x. So what you will be writing, let x is equal to, the order has been given as 2 into 1, so you will be writing as like this, a and b. So this is what you are supposing x to be. Okay, and then what you will be writing, ax is equal to b has been given. So what was the value of a children? The value of a we calculated as 2, 1, 1, 2. So write down 2, 1, 1, 2 into x you have taken as ab is equal to how much children? 4 and 5. Okay, we'll just erase this part. And then what you will be writing? You will be writing, this implies, see, 2 into a plus b, and then here 1 into a is a plus 2b is equal to 4, 5. So this further implies what? That 2a plus b is equal to 4 and a plus 2b is equal to 5. Okay, now what you will be getting here children, you just have to solve it, and it's completely up to you how do you want to solve. So if you want to solve it by elimination, what are you going to get here? You are going to get 2a, not 2a children, 4 this becomes. So write down 4a plus 2b is equal to 8, and here 8 plus a plus 2b is equal to 5. So this upon subtraction becomes what? This gets cancelled. Sorry, not this. Okay, just a second students. What is getting cancelled is not a. Okay, this is getting minus minus, so this is getting cancelled. 4a minus a is 3a is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So this implies the value of a is equal to 3. And then if you are putting it in any equation, a plus 2b is equal to 5. Suppose if you are putting in this, so this implies 3 plus 2b is equal to 5. Okay, so 2b will be equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So the value of b is equal to 1. So what are you getting? You are getting a is equal to b. Sorry, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1. So the matrix x will be equal to what? X is equal to ab. So this matrix will become how much children? 3 and 1. Okay, so this is the matrix. Is it 3, 1 children? Just a second. Okay. Blunder I have done children. I just see. 3a is equal to 3, so the value of a will be equal to what children? Not 3 but 1. And here then when you are putting the value, 1 plus 2b is equal to 5. So 2b is equal to 4, so the value of b is equal to 2. So what are you getting? You are now getting that a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. Okay, so if a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, then what you can be writing down? X is equal to a and b. So this is coming out to be 1, 2. So the value of x is 1 and 2. Alright, so this is the way you will be doing this sum. We will be now moving to the next question. that is question number 24. Okay, so in question number 24, what has been given, children? A has been given, B has been given, and you have to find out the value of C. So this is very easy, children. This is A square minus 5B square is equal to 5C. So what you will be finding out? First find out the value of A square, which will be equal to A into A. Okay, and then find out the value of B square, which will be equal to B into B. Okay, and then when you are finding out the value of B square, then only multiply it by 2B square to get the value, and then that you can be equating this with this, then C will be equal to 1 upon 5 times of whatever the matrix you are getting. So just replace the value to find out the answer. So question number 24 and is easy one, so that one you will be taking as homework. Okay, we'll be now moving to question number 25. That is the last question of this particular unit, chapter and exercise as well. Matrix B has been given as what? B has been given as 1, 8, 1, 3. Okay, and then what they have given, you have to find out matrix X such that it is equal to B square minus 4B. So first I will be calculating how much is B square. So B square is equal to 1813. Okay, so this in turn is equal to, this will be multiplied by again 1813. Okay, so how much are you getting this? So this will be equal to, children, 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 8 is 8. Now 1 into 1 is again 1 plus 3. Okay, and then what is the next thing that you will be getting in the next line? You are getting, see, 8 into 1 plus 3 into 8. So 8 into 1 is 8 plus 3 into 8 is 24. And then here you have 8 into 1 as 8 plus 3 into 3 as equal to 9. So how much is this equal to? This is equal to 9, 4, 24 is 32 and 17. Okay, so this is B square, and then how much is 4B? 4B will be equal to 4 times of 1813. So this is equal to 4, 32, 4 and 12. Okay, now what you will be doing, we will be finding out X, which is equal to B square minus 4B. So B square is equal to how much? 9, 32, 4 and 17 minus 4, 32, 4 and 12. So how much you are getting, children? This you are getting as 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 4 is 0, 32 minus 32 is 0, 17 minus 12 is again 5. So 5005 is the value of X that you are getting. So this is the matrix. And now if I talk about the other thing, children, the other thing that you have to find is the value of AB. So what has been given, that X multiplied by AB is equal to 5 and 50. Okay, so X value I have found out to be 5, 0, 0 and 5. Okay, and this is being multiplied to AB to give you how much? 5 and 50. Okay, so we'll be just solving this out. Then what we'll be writing, this implies if you multiply, how much you will get, children? This is 5 into A is 5A plus 0 into B is 0. So, and here 0 into A is 0 and this is 5A. So 5A into 5B is equal to, not into, children, 5A and 5B is equal to 5 and 50. So clearly what you are getting, that 5A will be equal to 5. Okay, so write down 5A is equal to 5 and 5B is equal to 50. So the value of A will be equal to how much? Value of A will be equal to 1 and value of B will be equal to 10. So what are you getting? A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the way this sum has to be done. So we are done till all the questions of this particular exercise, children. I hope you all understood this. Alright, thank you, students.